Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka National People's Party hinne kasngi kala pediang sombha yo MLA Barim ka Nongkrem constituency uba Lambor Malnyang sya ka NPP. Ya uni unong yalam la pediang sombha sya ka parti daki arngut ki sembut menteri rangba uba Preston Tensong bat uba asnyo halang dhar. Menteri ketenat elekai uba Wailat Miki Shila ha ka jen dan langki MLA ka seng ki bakentup ya ka kong Amperin Lingdo uba Gavin M. William uba Gabriel Walang ki MDC bat kinong yalam jong kaseng. Ha kani kasngi kaseng kalapan skam ya kinong kit kam ka NPP Blok Nongkrem daw Presiden ka NPP East Khasi Hills District. Haba ay jingkren uba Lambor uloong ba Shumkwa bandrung ha ka NPP tang banile election na kabenta ka jingrem Henry ya ka jingjob. Uloong ba ha kisnem ba ulalong kumu MLA baro kilasaki ya ki kampan roy ba ulawanra Henry Kwa ban put turoy yaladi. Menteri rangba uloong ba ha ka jinglong jong kumunong mikmat ha ka jilla nadu ki por wamanchwa uloong ba kampat don kanu kaseng ka ba khamba ka rukom trikam kum ka NPP. Uloong ba ka NPP ka don ka jingetli ka jingetrelang ka jingkit kle ka jingya buram markelyang bat ka jingya penbet ya ka jingbam sutho jingmut.
By Hamlet Singalik, working with it in Irish. National document nagamita ipaiba at yung Nongkrem constituency mag-iso siya how to use them ang siya kapulay. Nagaliang na siyang iso ko dahil kung niya election ilaso ko dahil kung pa siya nagaliang sa Lambor man niya ang upol dahil kung nagapati unity panakatupo nagaliang sa party NPP ladaan di batas siya paramari dahil kung pag-iso ko pamenta Hakalis di pemerintahan idarna kinongkitkam jombaro antali ilyam. Walkanung idar kajik dokumen. Bahagi kasi pemerintahan baru ilalawang kaway kapilbun. Batung sa party yogi kapan nagyan isni kipor. Nadukos na aja arpulay. Ila yogi yakajik manya so jong di MLA di MDC patkunju yang kinongkitkam ako ki konstitusi pero gini, berkeciman eso kepada Isyan, bahwa omni kekiman penyesuak dengan parti, bahwa kiwan penyesuak beliau betul badak dari hikam bopau nawalian coba sauka kebailan dari parti NPP. Dengan Isyan kenal, berkeciman penyesuak jongki kalau hikam dibobol, bahkan ini sauka kebailan nawalian coba parti NPP. Rayo panile hakini kilo dari Islam di Bangladesh. Yemla panile di Jisha, ikam kita buat selasate nadu panile yo ya kasih terjong dari gejala terjong hausnya tak spot di luar. Negi sokmen sih dia, banagalian cuma ni kesokta kebayaran nagalian cuma parti NPP. Walau dia suku ni kindu injike di pinjam di bobot. Dari aktual election ka penilaian pabud lalak ng petrolong yagikap plus ating. Hoy una petrolong ni bato. Regular ni statement pasnya pagkatanang isi report. Nagalian yung kinailang yung kinailang bantay manang kiktiyo yakan ni kajala ko ni kamsi jong issue.
yang ikaw nitik, diba? Nanunatang Jefferton ng sa pangkakol. Yang anong pinag-block kahungan ng pantao. Tawagin niya tayo. Dapat yung tiple. Enong iwasunit, ng sashor, ng slap. Yung kasipot, yung iba. Ipay pa, pagkakonsusi. Yan ito, yan siya. Ibuan ang tingin, pansin na lang na ay problema bro. Napanahon ng itong pasyong si Jerome. Mga siyem lala ang yung iyo kumatubi. Ang rin mo pigil yung sa kabala maay. Maay play pati nang ni lamba yung kasing kapapipipay. Kulay siya mo namuta yung pilang baro. Mas mau inyo mafilo ka lang higumukan nito ito na siya na sa kapalaya. Mentang Yeshua. Bakong ulang try yung tingin. Tong ini kailangan meningkat-ingkat. Palman rakyat yang cikermen nampak juga. Palman Bantu kos kursi, jauh apa dia pilih. Kami bagian hendak yang injak kiri. Mamsim rumah ini dalam menjadi bantrai hari kepati. Bapa koi kerja minum menjadi yang ngimpak dia kata. Ngimpak juga. Ngimpak dia saja. Kamu macam Maksud itu tentang perayaan niya. Lembaga jempet juga yang konstitusi berdiri benar. Perayaan niya na seksi dalam ngangki ngangsa rintak kilometer itu. Ke konstitusi ketulung ikam Lada piyapay, hadis nam, ibalit no, hadis nam mabasim, di mga akong mahali. Konstitusi na doon anaja kapla, adong anaja kapulay. Baru isaki nandang tamang kapulay. Pitip mobi, tolong lagi hijau. Yoi mobi, pasyong hati bisnaw. Kalau mengatur atau kena. Bagi kita simpan kenal atau batong nanti kita percaya. Bangga korban macam tu, orang independen candidate. Abang ada, bagi itu iman kita apa? Jumi bagi itu yang disebut menteri Jumi. Mau apa? Hendak kita yang tak syukur, kebetulan orang halu kata-kata. Malu ini dengan history. Nampak ucapan yang mesti tangguh. Ihar tak kiong sim berani. Badama jadi ajabi. Badrinda jadi jadi apa? Mana ikut ibu pun, bantu pun saya kami jauh menteri ramah, banong ibu semua, banyak dan yang ini jika wajib dipegang. Datang mana mana, adon kami ada kenuhun, bukan, bagi nom dengan pembagian hak dengan suatu komunitas, aktif beri orang. Buat ram jadi kemuliaan. Abang kadon keting perman, abang kadon keting pet perman jadi. Yung yang hatu ng long mapimano bagi ito kami jadi. Andai kumong andai profesor, yung Muhammad. Ang mayroong pangkot ng harahan ko labun kami kibalay kita kami na. Ang garay kami mga kapan lechwa sa pili ko kami. Manpetso sa pili. Lakalong na tamdam. Lakabiyan na kabiyan. Lalamangan na sumyan ko. Andai lang ang pipiyong kabiyan. Mahabang sa pinasur sa ibadah. Andai pasok na patalong. Bagubun pinongikit kita. Kiyong balong. Hanggu kapitan hidup hingar lang angkat. Kadang-kadang bangsa yang to dosa. Ya itu boleh. Cukup tak hari kesini. Nasmo yang diri pun katu. Mengayo betul hari office nampak cukup. Jadi yang ini hanya dijaga college pun. Ini dari ini dijaga. Jagoin sur. Bagaimana kita punya Kristen dan betul kita berdoa. Bagi nyerap dan dalam lagi kita juga tahan juga. Pagpinong minino, yung atapor, pagpaman, pagput, panang, nang katichigan kang yung isang ikaw. Yung mga pipsip na ino, yung atong incident. Mandaan ay ngayong ng huwi-gayingin, at kay hikang na kama. Ngiti na hita. Hila ko siya. Agad ka kanina ko siya, agad lang ko. Pero yung tao de, Bangili dola, hagati dola. Nakalian MPP, nakalian balang luar. Nilai lang kaway, nakamix mo ako praktiko. Dengar kata kabangan kuat pada ilong jalan, ilong tui, ilong pan, bersama kerejoan lang nakasi. Bag unongnya lang jogi malam bormannya. Donya kreisi kau manisma. Nabu asya yang bersama. Ban kemudian yang berkumpul. Nakabentakan yang berprosesi para kowe. Nampak yang kedekti yang mudah. Mentang nilayo kowe pagwede. Nampong bawa biang hati tahangi. Dari kapan apa kau kalau tangkau mentang ada bila dorang bakal pagi kita yang kenal bahkan ni kalau ia nosen dari bahan nadu lalu kasih dia dia loksi dari mau bahaya dengan kata Habis don ayi kabahe, ladapang uwe men, don ciput iba, susna, yale hapus talu uwe ini kita. Ini kata sama. Abang ia ayi kaset belum nosen, hiu akan kamu susi yang kamu suka, ia susna, ia susok Jika pengambil balik orang Yahudi, kenal tu arhaja al-Pauprat, arhaja al-Pauprat, sahih ka NPP, kan sasya hasil. Dekunta nampak syuk panaya bukti, ay kajisannya Bapura, Iba lambor mangyang ibalong chief advisor to the block to the handi. Ayo kajisannya Bapura atau kajisan jauh berbeda. But ini di alat pemerintahan baru diberikan mencoba blok NPP nongkrek. Bagi penyanyi bagi jalan. Yaki baru halu Krishna kita hidup lepas. Pamila ia kata belum yang kata kajian luyen proses hal luyen proses ban hot ban wer pada bagi ayam yang kajian persan baru ban John sekapati nak benda kalau John kan konstitusi Jodi baru boleh dibuka tempat di saya sempat tunggu
I came straight from Delhi. Yesterday I was in Gujarat. And this morning before coming here, approximately 80 plus new agriculture officers valedictory program today was held in Upper Shillong. So I was chief guest in that program from 12 o'clock till 2 o'clock. So I finished that program and that's why I got a bit delayed. But I would like to thank all of you for being patient and waiting for me. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank God Almighty, because of whose blessings we are all here today, and because of whose blessings the National People's Party is growing every day from strength to strength. I take this opportunity to welcome Balambor and all his supporters, all of you who are present here today, and all those who could not come here today, to this most important program where all of you have today joined the National People's Party. On behalf of the National Committee, I take this opportunity to welcome you. Welcome to the National People's Party family. Friends, as mentioned by Balam, we have known each other for a very, very long time. Politics. Our friendship is based on our mutual respect for each other. Our friendship is based on the trust we have on each other. Our friendship is based on our mutual desire and common desire to always serve the people of our state. In the past also, we have had many discussions where there were discussions of him joining the party. But we could not take it to the logical conclusion. But today, by God's grace, by His blessings, and by the support of Balam's workers and supporters and leaders, this has been made possible. So I take this opportunity to thank all of you also for having faith in the National People's Party, for joining us in our mission to transform our state and in our objective to serve the people of our constituencies and of the state as a whole. Friends, today there are a lot of points that are mentioned by opposition parties against the National People's Party. And I tell almost everyone, nobody throws stones at a tree that does not bear fruit.
opposition sees and realizes the kind of work that we are doing to transform our state. They are seeing the kind of work that's happening. They don't want to accept the development. And they don't want people also to accept or to see it. So rather than discussing on development issues, rather than discussing on important issues of the state, opposition parties try to bring out different kind of news to distract people. News that is not even true. Just few days earlier, there was news that there's a big rift between the NPP leaders. Presto and Conrad are not talking to each other. Snowball is very angry with Conrad. Friends, I have no words to say. When this news came out, I called up Masnova, and I asked him, are you angry with me? He said, I don't know where this news came from. Friends, let me tell you one thing. I've been in politics for a very, very long time. I may be young at age. But I had seen politics since I was 12 years old. That was the first time I gave my public speech, when I was 12 years old. And I've been campaigning for the party from that age. I may not have been a person with a big position in the party. I was just a common worker. I used to stick posters for the party. I used to climb the tree and put flag. Sometimes stare poster of the opposition also. That's politics before. And I tell you, in my entire political career till date, which spans maybe close to 25 years and above, the way the NPP team today is working, I can assure you there is no other team that works like the National People's Party. The kind of unity we have, the kind of commitment we have differences. I'm not saying we agree on everything. This is democracy. We may not agree. But then, we come together and we say, fine, we agree to disagree. But we will continue to work together. If there is a difference in opinion, we will be in the room, we will discuss it. But we will come out with one opinion and one decision at the end. And we will never go against that decision. The respect that we have in our party, anybody sitting here today will tell you. We may have differences, as I said, but there is always the effort from our side that we reach out. And I'll tell you why. The humility that is there in each leader's heart. To know that there is a purpose larger than my own individual purpose. There is a goal that's much bigger than what I individually want to achieve, which is what we need to do for the people of our state. That's what drives our decision making. That is what takes us forward. It's not about one individual or one person's decision. It's not about national president alone or chief minister's decision. No. It is a collective decision we take and we work together. But sadly, opposition, as I said, are not finding any other point that they start bringing out all this kind of fake news and information, which is fine with us because there is no truth in it. But we just find it very odd that this kind of thing is happening. And on the contrary, sometimes I look at different constituencies especially in the opposition areas. There's a lack of development. 2 o'clock. I would believe because of the agriculture students, the officers valedictory program, which is also important because there are foot soldiers or officers at the grassroots level. I wanted to meet them. Program went on more than we thought. And as you know that there is a small issue about certain issues problems that are coming up, which is then converted into a major problem, where there is a strike of the trucks, the truck association and other associations connected with the cement plants. So it's been going on for some time, you all have read the news. So the meeting with the truck association is at 4 o'clock today. And that is a meeting with which both deputy CMs are attending from transport and from police point of view, and hence they had to leave. So it's not that they left because I was about to speak. Just want to clarify before some press will make that an issue also. So that meeting also is important. They only told me, and I said, please, you have to go because I would like that institution to be resolved. So therefore, once again, I thank all of you